Hey guys, welcome back to another protein snack review. Today we've got a little special edition on top of our Chobani versus YoPro week. Basically because there's not enough YoPros to compare for the whole 7 days, we've decided to chuck in a couple of the Chobani flips. My favourite flavour, cookies and cream. So I haven't eaten these, but cookies and cream is my favourite flavour. So we'll give this a go, should be awesome. But the idea is basically, yeah, they have like dry material over here, you flip it in. There used to be a yogurt I remember at school. They were pretty good. So we'll give this a go. Stats on it real quick. They're actually not too bad. A bit of a naughty sort of snack, I guess. You got 11.1 grams of protein, which is quite good. And then you're looking at 5.2 fat, so it's a little bit high. And then 24 carbohydrates, so that's a little bit of the naughty side. So if maybe as a dessert option or something like that, and maybe not every day, but they do taste good. I've had them before. So we'll give this a go. All right, get that off. Yeah, so it's just got like, I don't know if you can see, oh shit, almost, but basically you just tip it in and you give it a mix around. But it looks great, it looks good. Just literally looks like cookie. So that's probably why the carbs are pretty high. And the fat fat's pretty high. Oh, it's not too high, but give it a little mix. Only problem with these, they are quite small, so let's give that a mix. Give it a taste. It's pretty good. Jam. Yeah, definitely. If you're having a sweet craving, it's really yummy. Little chunks of like sort of chocolate or something in it. Super sweet, that's all it tastes. Yum. Okay. Tastes really good. It's basically a vanilla based yogurt and you're pouring like different sort of crunchy sort of cookie stuff in it. It's definitely, yeah, cookies and cream crunch, cool. Yeah, it tastes awesome. Yep. So calories, you're looking at almost 200. So it is a little bit of a high calorie snack for how small it is, because it's probably doesn't have too much left in it. Maybe another sort of 8 mouthfuls in there. But overall, yeah, these, if you haven't tried them before, these flips, they're great. They do have like some protein in them, which is really good. I don't know, the reason we harp about the protein is it's just normally the hardest thing to get into your diet. The carbs are a bit high, but if you're not cutting, maybe you're on maintenance or even bulking. If you're bulking, you probably won't eat this, but yeah, either maintenance or if you can fit it in while you're cutting, yeah, they taste awesome. They do have a little bit of that protein in there, and yeah, I'm definitely going to be finishing this off. Rating. 7.7. Reason for that, carbs are a little bit high. Flavour's minutely off. It's still really yum. A little tiny bit of like sourness to it, sort of thing, like a sour cream sourness, if that makes sense. It's only subtle, I guess, but it's still really yum. So that's it for today, guys. That's the cookies and cream from Chobani. These are the flips. Definitely a great sort of dessert option or something like that, and we'll do another one tomorrow. So make sure you give the video a like, guys, if you got anything useful out of it. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll be back tomorrow.